brother from another mother, actually. There's my buddy Wicked. Good job. Hey, it's Danny Watkins, American Eagle Harley-Davidson. This week I get the new bike of the week, folks. Today we have a Lowrider S, and this one comes in the Iron Horse Gray Metallic. It also comes in red, black, Mystic Shift also, but this is Iron Horse Gray Metallic, powered by the Milwaukee-Eight 117, and the Lowrider S and the Lowrider ST have the little bigger cams it offers. This thing's also got new redesigned hand controls, the speedometer with all the ride modes, tells you how much air's in the tires. Also offers dual disc brakes with your inverted front end for handling purposes. It's just a factory hot rod from Harley-Davidson. Also, it comes with a 6-speed transmission, all that stuff. We make it easy to buy here at American Eagle. Come see me or any of my sales associates. We do test drives, we take trade-ins. So anyway, yeah, also here we got the Rolling USA going for Rolling Daytona. We're giving away a cool little Sportster in May. So you need to come get your name in the hat. And also we can check your mileage here for the mileage program. Come see Danny, let's make it happen. It's easy to buy.